All right, so I'm live with our first break out of eBay. We've got break 3093, which is a double box break of Anthology 1516. There it is. So, good luck, everybody. Let's do this first box. All right, so we start with a jersey autograph for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Derek Pouliot. For Pittsburgh. Next, we got a Mystery of Materials for the New Jersey Devils, Corey Schneider. Corey Schneider from New Jersey Devils, Mystery of Materials. Next, we got a sizable signatures, Toronto Maple Leafs, Tyler Biggs. Next, Mystery of Materials, New York Rangers, Derek Stepan. We got a T-shirt Materials, Colorado Avalanche, Nathan McKinnon. McKinnon for Colorado. Next, we got a T-shirt Materials for Montreal, Carey Price. And our last is a dual autograph for the Coyotes, it's Coyotes, it's a random. Coyotes, Mark Vicentin. And Boston, Malcolm Subban. So I'm going to random at the end. Subban and Vicentin. That was for the first box. Let's do box number 2. Empty box. There's only one D card, so D cards. Alright, so we start with a full coverage. Vancouver Canucks, Dan Cloutier. I think it's Vancouver Canucks. I'll see what the checklist at the end. Dan Cloutier. Perfect. Next, what do we have? A paired pieces. Vancouver Canucks, Chris Tanev and Frank Corrado. Tanev and Corrado, the Vancouver Canucks. Next, what do we have? Double coverage. On top, Tyler Toffoli. And on the other side, Tanner Pearson, number 299. So both for the LA Kings. Next, we get a Mystery of Material Prime for the Anaheim Ducks, John Gibson. John Gibson for the Anaheim Ducks. What do we have next? Well, that's been paired pieces patch for the LA Kings, Tyler Toffoli. And on the other side, Tanner Pearson. So we had the regular, now we got the dual patch, also for the LA Kings. Next, we get an Anthology autograph, Buffalo Sabres, Rasmus Ristolainen. Buffalo Rasmus Ristolainen. And our last it is also an autograph. Oh, that's a nice one. Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom. Hall of Famer Nicholas Lidstrom, Anthology autograph. Alright, so now let's do our random. But first, I will see who will get the. I don't remember his name. Who was it? Dan Cloutier. So let me have a look at the checklist. Is the FC7, which is Dan Cloutier. Alright, you're right. So Vancouver Canucks for Dan Cloutier. And now let me get ready for random. It was Coyotes and the Boston Bruins. Perfect. Switch. There we go. Good luck. Both of you first, second, and third. And on top, we've got the Boston Bruins with Malcolm Subban. So that was Anthology. I'll be back in, I'll try to be back in 5 minutes, guys, but I gotta find the case, 'cause, yeah, I know where it is. So I'll be back soon, guys. Thanks.